Hey there! In these difficult financial times, people who are looking to make extra income to make ends meet are turning to the internet, to blogging, posting informative articles to attract more traffic to a website in order to sell products or services, or just to make money through affiliate banners and click-through ads. But posting hundreds of articles, or even just a few, is a time-consuming task. Bulk Blogger can help you with that task to generate more web visitors and therefore more extra income to your site while you spend time doing other things. Bulk Blogger helps submit hundreds of articles to your blog in no time at all. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post your money-making content to your blog site using Bulk Blogger. We've already created a profile and entered the required information under the Setup tab, so let's get started. As you can see, in the blog URL field, you have to enter the URL of your blog, which is the domain name where your blog is installed and which you will use to access your blog. After that, you will need to enter the FTP information for your blog, since Bulk Blogger needs to connect to your site and upload a PHP file to its server in order to be able to communicate with WordPress and post your content. The secret code is used to prevent anyone other than Bulk Blogger from submitting content using that special file uploaded by Bulk Blogger. And you can use different secret codes for each profile you create. Once everything is ready, you can click Save Settings to save your profile info, and then click Upload to Site, which will upload the required file to your server. Now let's go to the Settings tab to choose the articles we want to post to our blog, as well as set up other options that will make your postings of multiple articles easier than you would have ever imagined. Here, in the big window on the left, we have some articles on our C drive that we have browsed to. Double-clicking on a folder icon will show any articles that are there right here in this list box. The articles were written in plain text format, which is similar to the format used by most PLR packages in the market. Clicking on a file name selects or deselects it. You can choose to submit all files within that folder, or submit selected files only. If you change your mind and want to clear all the selected files, you can just click on the Clear Selection button. In this example, we'll choose the Submit All Files option to submit all the text files in the selected directory. Over here, in the Options box, we can specify from where Bulk Blogger should take the title of the article. Using the Get Title From drop-down menu, Bulk Blogger can create the title of your post from either the first line of the article text or from the file name itself. I'll go ahead and use the default option. But don't worry about the format of the file name or the first line, since Bulk Blogger will automatically convert the chosen text to standard title case and remove any unwanted characters. You can even limit the amount of characters for the post title. In our example, we will leave the default of 150 characters, since it's the best for search engines. By default, Bulk Blogger will take the folder name and use it as a category name, and automatically create a new category for your articles before posting them if the category does not already exist on your blog. Otherwise, you can override this option by selecting the Post All Articles to this category option box and writing in the name of the category you want the articles to be posted to. For now, we want Bulk Blogger to use the folder name as a category name, so we'll unselect this option. Bulk Blogger can sort the articles from your folder in several ways too. You can choose to either sort the articles from your folder randomly, which is the default option, or read them in order from A to Z or from Z to A. However, we recommend that you use the default option, which will sort the articles randomly so that they will look like they've been posted manually. Down here in the scheduling box, you can choose the date that you want your first post to show up on your blog, and you can also choose the time of day as well. In order to make your posts look as if they were posted manually, you can also choose to set up a random time between posts. Bulk Blogger will use this setting to add a random number of up to 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds to the last post, and we'll use that for the next post. We'll use the default settings for that option. Each successive post will be given a different random number from your chosen range. You can even choose a certain number of days to delay between postings, up to 31 days. For example, let's say we chose to use a random date of 0 to 3 days between each post. Bulk Blogger will generate a random number between 0 and 3 after posting each article to your blog, and will then add it to the date of your new post. So, for example, if Bulk Blogger chose 2 as a random number, it will add 2 days to the posting date of the last post and will use that date for the new article. The next article may have a random number of 1, 2, or even 3, and the date will be set accordingly. If your blog is highly trafficked or if your server is slow, you can use it to set a delay for a certain amount of seconds between posts in order to reduce server load. Now let's move over to the Tagging tab. Here's where you can choose to show links at the end of each post for the top keywords that are used in each article, so that people can find your articles in the major search engines and visit your site so that you can sell your product or service. Bulk Blogger will read the articles one by one and will flag the most used keywords to use for these link tags, all depending on your options. To enable this option, you have to check the Add Tags to Articles option. You can also choose the number of tags to show per article, as well as the minimum amount of characters that each keyword should have. Bulk Blogger automatically prevents common words such as conjunctions, prepositions, and common verbs from showing up in the list. If your articles have been written with search engine optimization in mind, then the keywords that you want to target should easily show up in the tags. Okay, now we've set up all the options and we're ready to start posting to our blog. We can do that by simply clicking on the Start button when on any tab, and Bulk Blogger will start posting directly to the blog. I'll go ahead and click the Start button, and as you can see, Bulk Blogger started posting the articles to the blog according to the times, delays, and categories you've already set. I can also pause the posting and resume if I decided to change any settings in the middle of the posting. I can even cancel the whole posting process by clicking on the Stop button. Once each of the articles has been posted, Bulk Blogger will notify you of the successful submission down here in the status bar. As you can see by the progress bar, Bulk Blogger is posting the articles to the blog one by one at an incredible speed. Alright, now the process is over, and it's time to check how the articles look through our blog's control panel or dashboard. As you can see, all the articles are there in their respective categories. Articles will now start showing up on the blog publicly one by one and on time. You can continue posting as many articles as you want, and you can schedule them to show up at any time you want. When you're done, you can shut down your computer and go on vacation and let your blog articles do their work for you, making money while you play. And that's all there is to it. We hope you have found Bulk Blogger to be the most easy-to-use tool for your automated mass blogging needs. And we'd love to hear from you soon, so hurry and be the first to grab a copy of Bulk Blogger and start making money through blogging today.